guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Andrea, and if you're new here, welcome. For today's video, we're going to be recreating the look I have going on, which is a very natural, glowy glam for summer. I think this is the perfect summer look for an everyday situation, and the best part is that we are not wearing any foundation and we still look super good. I'm also going to be showing you how to go from this to this, and all we did was just glam it up the tiniest bit, and you have a nice, beautiful, bronzy look going on. And we're gonna be adding a few touches to bring it up a notch and create that night look right there. And all we're gonna do is just add some very beautiful bronzy shades and these magnetic lashes from Amazon. You guys know I've been loving the magnetic lashes, and well, we're gonna try some new ones. And yeah, if you guys want to see how to recreate this beautiful, glowy summer look without foundation, then just keep on watching. So today is all about the glow. Today is all about the summer glam, and I'm so excited for this video because I haven't done like a makeup tutorial. Not tutorial because I'm not a makeup artist, but I haven't done like a makeup look kind of video, I want to say, since December. So I'm super excited because I love makeup and I love talking about makeup. So we're going to start out by moisturizing our face, and today I'm going to be using this Glow Recipe Banana Souffle Moisture Cream, which I've been loving. I actually got this in my March BoxyCharm. It smells like a banana, like putting banana on my face. And it has like a super weird consistency because it's very thick, but then it melts into literally nothing. And oh my gosh, I've been loving this so much. And the smell, so good. It smells like banana, and I'm picturing myself, you know, on a tropical island somewhere in paradise. It's really nice and very moisturizing. So next, to prime, I'm going to be using, you guessed it, the Rare Beauty Illuminating Primer, because we're all about the glow, so obviously I had to go with an illuminating primer. And on top of that, you guys know that is like my ride or die primer, like all day, every day kind of situation. Today, we're not going to be using foundation because I want you guys to be able to wear this look anywhere. If you want to go to the beach, if you want to go to the pool, if you want to have brunch, if you want to have dinner. I mean, I want this to be very versatile and for you to have a lot of options. So today, we're going to go in with the L'Oreal Skin Paradise Water Infused Tinted Moisturizer in the shade Light 01. And I picked this up at my local drugstore, and I really wanted to try this out because this is going to be great on those days I don't want to wear foundation, because who wants to wear all that stuff during summer especially? So that's what I'm going to be using today. And don't worry about the shade being a little bit off because it really blends out nicely. It blends really nicely, and I feel like this is great for a pool day or a beach day or things like that. But don't get me wrong, like even when I go to the pool and the beach, I am that person who's gonna wear makeup because I want pictures. Who doesn't? Next, I'm gonna go in with concealer, and today we're using the e.l.f. 16-Hour Camo Concealer. I've been loving this concealer, and for the price, I mean, you cannot beat it. I'm just gonna cover this little spot that I have here, and then I have some little blemishes up here. And I'm going to just set the under eye with the Maybelline Fit Me powder, and I'm really going to concentrate on just the under eye and the lid because I'm not going to use this powder to set the rest of my face. We're actually going to cream contour and cream blush, a little bit of liquid highlighter, and then I'm going to be setting the rest of my face with this Jaclyn Hill product. And this is the Luminous powder in the shade Do Me. I recently hauled this. And I really like it. It has the most beautiful sheen. It's truly really nice. And listen, I know Jaclyn is a little bit polarizing, but in my opinion, she has been killing all of these new products. So I did want to mention that, and I'll show you afterwards. But now let's go ahead and cream contour. So for today, we're gonna go ahead and cream contour a little bit because I want my face to look super natural. And I'm gonna be using this Milani foundation just in a darker shade, and I'm gonna lightly contour, or bronze really. And then we'll go over it with the tiniest bit of powder. And it's not that much darker than my skin. I really want to make this a super natural look. And then to keep the cream products going, I'm going to use the e.l.f. Putty Blush. I have been loving this so much. It's really beautiful and super pigmented. Let me show you so you can see. Actually, let me go ahead and zoom you in just a little bit. And I like to go in very lightly so I can build it up, because as you guys know, I love blush, especially in the summer. I really love that sun-kissed, a little bit of sunburn look. I like that personally. And that's why I always apply blush to my nose, because I do like that look. So let me put a little bit. Okay, so remember this Eloise illuminator I got in my BoxyCharm from April. I'm actually going to be using this to highlight my face, and I'm telling you, I really want this to be a super dewy natural look that you can really wear anytime during the summer. So I thought this would be the perfect highlighter. Now with the Jaclyn Hill Duo, I'm going to bronze a little bit, and instead of going in with a smaller, more precise brush, I'm going to go in with this super fluffy brush. Don't mind that it's dirty because I've been using it this week, but I like this because it's not as precise, so I really want to bronze up my whole entire face. And then since I already have it on hand, I'm just going to apply a little bit of the blush as well. Now, remember this Jaclyn Hill powder. I'm going to be setting my whole entire face with it. Don't worry, it's very lightweight. If it works for me and my dry skin, it will definitely work for you. And I'm just grabbing a little powder brush. And my skin and my complexion feel so luminous. I absolutely love it, and I like that we didn't even need foundation to go with it. Now I'm going to be applying mascara and lipstick, and then I kind of want to turn this look into a nighttime look that you can easily transform to. And for that, I'm going to be applying a little bit of bronzy eyeshadow, and then we're going to be trying out these magnetic lashes that I just got from the brand Veshely. I don't know if I'm saying that correctly, but Amazon has me tripping because these shop names are so hard to pronounce,
at least for me, okay?
But this brand did reach out to me, and because I have been loving magnetic lashes, how could I possibly say no? Plus they had awesome reviews on Amazon, so of course I'll link everything down below for you guys so you guys can find it, and we're gonna try them out together. But let's finish up our day look first. I'm just gonna highlight the brow bone. And for that, I used this Wonder Beauty palette I got in my BoxyCharm a couple of months back. Now I am also going to be using it for that.
The light is back and so am I.
Or were we? I'm also going to be using this same palette for my night look because it has the perfect bronzy shades that I want to use. So that's going to work out perfectly. We're pretty much done with the day look. All that's left is the lip products, and for that I'm going to be using the Colourpop BFF2, which I did restock on, and I got 2 of them for backups because this has truly become my favorite lip liner
ever.
It's just perfection. And then I also purchased this Colourpop lip gloss. This is the RAWBEAUTYKRISTI collection, and unfortunately pretty much everything else was sold out, but I did get my hands on this and it's beautiful. And I haven't picked up a lip product from Colourpop in so long. They're so tiny and cute now, but that's it. That's what we're gonna be using today. And because I'm not applying any lipstick or anything, I like to just fill my lips with the lip liner, and then now we're gonna apply the lip gloss. Beautiful. And this is the completed look for the daytime portion of this video. I just feel like it's so beautiful. It doesn't feel heavy on my face at all. And even though we applied a lot of products, because I'm not wearing foundation, it really does not feel heavy at all. I feel very natural, very beautiful, very dewy and glowy, and just a perfect everyday summer look. Now we're gonna take it up a notch and we're gonna do the little night portion of this look, which I think it's gonna be great if you do wear this look all day and then you wanna head out to dinner or something like that. So let's go ahead and start. Okay, so like I said, this is gonna be so easy because we have the whole look put together. All we're gonna do is add some beautiful bronzy shades, and this is not gonna be a precise eye look at all. It's gonna be very beautiful, but super, super easy, less than 5 minutes, I promise. So first, we're gonna be going in with the shade Villa right here. I'm gonna take that and apply it all over my crease. Then we're gonna grab the shade Chateau, which is just a tad bit darker, and I'm gonna be using the same exact brush. Just gonna deepen that color. Now we're gonna go in with the shade Road Trip, which is a beautiful bronze, and I'm gonna put that all over the lid. Now I'm just gonna blend everything out. And then for the last step, I'm gonna use the shade Cabana, which is a beautiful gold shade, and I'm gonna apply that right in the center. And that is it. That was it. So simple, but so glam. I'm just gonna be working on the lower lash line now, and I'm mixing Villa and Chateau. And then with just a little bit of Villa, I'm gonna blend that out. And now it is the moment of truth for these lashes. Like I mentioned before, these had amazing and glowing reviews, so I cannot wait to try these. They're also super, super affordable, and these come with 3 pairs, the eyeliner and an applicator. And I'm going to be applying these first ones right here. I really think they are beautiful and full. And yeah, let's see how good these are. Now this applicator feels super, super nice. If you remember the last magnetic lashes I tried, the applicator wasn't the best quality, but this one is very sturdy. So let's start out with the liner. And it does say to wait 2 to 3 minutes to try it out. So here we go. What do you guys think? I like that they're not like super long, but they're very full, so they look natural, which ends up being perfect for this look because we are going for that natural, glowy, radiant skin today. And let me just test it out. Yup, these are glued. These are not coming off, which is amazing. And as you saw, they were not coming off. They're very, very nice and secure. The eyeliner is really pigmented, and it feels like a mixture between glue and eyeliner. It's really, really nice. So with that said, these are definitely approved. I actually really liked these two. You know what? I think that's it. Like, I've switched over to magnetic lashes and I love it. I really do. So yeah, this is it for the night look, and as you see, it's super, super easy. All we did was just glam it up
The tiniest bit.
and you are ready to go to dinner or anywhere you would like to, and that's it. I almost forgot we did not set this face. So for that, I'm going to be using the Coco Gold Mist, which is perfect because it does have little speckles and it gives you even more of a glowy look, so it really ties the whole look together. And here is the final look. What do you guys think about it? Whether you use it for a daytime look or a nighttime look, I think it is perfect, bronzy, glowy, just beautiful look for summer, and I am going to be wearing this all the time. I already know it. And yeah, guys, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you give this look a try, and if you did enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Hit that little bell so you never miss any of my videos, and as always, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!